Cool, we can start.
Namaste, everybody, subscribers and viewers. Thank you for your overwhelming support. There's a lot of question to me. That is, my name is Avinash Karna Charity. Those who are watching me for the first time, that sir, you always perform so many difficult asanas and fitness training, so many sessions. But we want to know how 24-hour cycle of a fitness performer, fitness practitioner, or a yoga student, or a yoga teacher. How, or we call it the dincharya. How do you live your life? So very important to get up early in the morning is first most important. Getting up early in the morning. To get up early in the morning, it starts 24 hours before. So you should eat at least your lunch on time and the dinner. I'll come to that. Sleep early. Sleep by 9 o'clock. 9:30, 9 to 10 I'll put it. Get up between 3 to 5 o'clock. I get up at 3 every morning. Maybe you're still, you're trying. So 3 to 5 is a good time to get up. Now, what is important is when you're doing a yogic asana, you should be taking a shower, your bowel should be clean. So make sure before going to bed, you have a little hot water, warm water. Okay? Important. When you get up in the morning also, have little bit, wash your eyes with the cold water from the fridge. It will make you, vibrant and alive. And then have hot water with some lemon and honey. This is very good. Every day, couple of glasses to clean your bowels. Also, if you want to get energized, just listen to me carefully. Little bit of turmeric. Turmeric have little bit of honey and neem. Neem leaves, if you can't have, you can have neem tablets. So neem, honey and turmeric, which is haldi. Honey is madhu, madhunashini, madhu. These three are very good to have it early in the morning. This will make you very energized. Okay? And also I have told you, hot water with honey and lime is very good for your system, to clean your bowels. So after you have taken a shower and gone to the washroom, you wear a loose fitting outfit and then you do some warm up, stretching, go for a run, jog. To sweat every morning is important. Okay, you do yoga, you don't do yoga, you do some martial arts or you do gymming, you need to sweat every morning. This is a must to make you energized for the rest of the day. Okay? Now what you should do is also be with the nature. So go out for a walk every morning. I know it's rainy season sometime or it is snowing in your country. Wherever in the world you are, you may be in a warm country, tropical, I don't know, desert, but you need to sweat in the morning. So as per your climate, do hydrate yourself, have some warm water with lime and keep a smile on your face. Yeah, very important. Think positive. Sweating is very important in the morning. That will set the pace for the entire day. And meals. You can decide what you want to start with. If you want to have 2 meals are advisable for people above the age of 40. I'm not enforcing anything. It is up to you. This is work for my benefit. My master, my guru has told me, and it is work for me. 2 meals after 40 is enough, which is a good lunch between say after 12 noon, between 12 to 2:30. I try to have my lunch, and dinner could be 6 to 8 p.m. Okay, and this is good for anybody above 40 years. Young people can have 3 meals as per your. You can also speak to your dietitian, your doctor, if you are having some medical ailments. So do consult your doctor. That will be very good for you. And also in the morning, if you want, I start the day with what I do is I soak. Many people ask me, sir, what is your diet? You're so fit, you're so flexible, you're so So I soak some groundnuts, shingana we call it, in the night, handful in the water. I have that in the morning. Just that. That's all. And that is like this for many years. And I have a banana. Banana, kela, whatever you call it, very good. In the morning, that's it. Until 12, I don't eat anything. But if I'm hungry, I have lemon water with honey. After 12, I have my meal. I practice to have my vegetarian diet. Vegetarian diet is easy to digest compared to a non-veg diet. I have nothing against non-veg who are having non-veg diet, but this is what my guru has told me. I'm just telling you what is good for your health. So non-veg diet will stay in your system for maybe almost 72 hours, so which is not good, and they leave a lot of toxins. A vegetarian diet, much lesser, easy to digest. It will leave your system in say 24 hours or so. But fruits are very good. It stays, it digests very fast. It's within few hours. So have every day some, the seasonal fruits is very good. Must. So if you follow these things, you will lose weight also. This is if you are not eating anything heavy. If you are above 40, if you have some ailment, diabetic or cardiac problem or BP, you first speak to your doctor before following what I am telling you. Please do that. So then don't break this, okay? So you have 2 meals are enough. So do this and see what are the results. You will lose a lot of weight, you will feel energized, fit, and I'm sure do yoga or any asana or a walk. Spend at least on your body 2 hours in a day. 2.5 hours. It could be walking, it could be swimming, it could be hiking, it could be running, it could be yoga, it could be gym, it could be cardio, whatever you want to do. Spend 2 hours every day on yourself. Do some meditation, pranayam. There will be request. I have some YouTube videos. You can watch my videos. So for today, this is what I have suggested you. I am able to advise you. I am also like one of you. I am a passionate yoga teacher and a fitness trainer. Hope you like my videos. Do subscribe, and if you have questions, please ask me some questions. Okay? Just remember, when you are doing a workout, your stomach should be empty. Do some warm up before doing any asanas or any weight training or some physical activity, so that you don't get injured. Okay? Thank you very much for subscribing and watching my videos, for your overwhelming support. Keep smiling, be healthy, and be positive. Thank you very much. Namaste.